Your first alert forecast, we're focused on this morning for that limited visibility that comes with that wintry mix, that wet snowfall. So low visibility is my kind of number one concern. When you get that big fat clumpy snow, and it can be a distraction. So use caution, kids staying at the bus stop, folks during that morning commute. That's when we're hanging out in those upper 30s and seeing that clumpy snowfall. Sunrise is 7:36. Really moving through it, a little bit better coverage first thing. So when we just focus on that impact, you can see what I mean in terms of some of those lighter wet snow showers on the plateau to valley, and then it picks up to more of a moderate pace up into the mountains, and then that's where a couple inches can add up to 3 inches in the mountains of the Smokies and in far southeastern Kentucky. So in terms of taking that rain shower and changing it over to a mix to snow, we're really seeing that with this first alert weather day highlighted on your first alert futurecast through 8 o'clock hour. Notice even the back edge already peeling back from the plateau, but getting those bursts of mixing to wet snowfall in parts of the valley to far northeast Tennessee, and then more active snowfall persistent up into the mountains of far southeastern Kentucky and the Smokies till around 11. Then we've still got the scattered wintry mix to snow up into far northeast Tennessee. Still a lot of clouds. I do think this will keep it chilly. We'll have some cold winds. Occasionally you're seeing some cloud breaks, but then we got a couple more wintry mix to snow showers to come in this afternoon to evening. Still seeing some of that rain to sleet to some snow mixing in. So you're going to see that kind of mixed bag falling this evening as temperatures fall back, but notice it's brief. That moves on pretty quick as well. Both of these batches, both of these rounds are pretty brief. We'll have a couple of stray light snow showers left over first thing in the night, and then clearing out and letting that colder air settle in. So really the next round too can at least contribute to a couple more light snow showers on the plateau, get a couple of more flurries flying in the valley, and then still adding up those couple of inches in the mountains. So for your Wednesday planner, rain snow mix is really why we have that limited visibility and that first alert weather day. Upper 30s late morning through midday continues, cold winds continue, and then a couple of more snow showers this afternoon to evening. That'll leave us around 42 this evening or this afternoon, but feeling colder. So when that feels like forecast where you live, it'll feel like it's still freezing for all midday. Notice afternoon feels more like mid 30s at times in the valley, and upper 20s to low 30s. So warm coat a must for all, no matter what you see. We are adding up to a wind chill at times of 34 in Knoxville and 31 in Townsend. Those winds gusting to around 20 miles per hour can make it feel like 35 in Lenore City and Clinton. It can feel like 28 at times in Crossville. In Jamestown, how about a wind chill Oneida 29, even 26 at times in Pineville. That wind chill kicking around every so often to 28 in Rutledge and 29 in Gatlinburg. That's what we got a dress for today. Actually, tomorrow morning, we'll actually get down into those 20s. So just wanted to highlight the fact that we will spread out more mid 20s for an actual low on the plateau to the Tennessee-Kentucky line, upper 20s to kick off your Thursday, right around 29 in Knoxville. Then the sun is out, the winds are lighter, and we got a steady climb in temperature from 29 in Knoxville, 38 at 11. High tomorrow will be 45, so obviously a few degrees below average from beginning to end, and a light breeze though at least, so the winds backing off is a big help. Now clouds will return on Friday, but these aren't the rain makers yet. We're just seeing some extra clouds flowing out ahead of the weekend front, which is still looking to move in late Saturday. In fact, I'd say it's even a little bit later on Saturday, still more like evening into the overnight, but that does mean it lingers a bit into your Sunday. So just an update there in your weekend rain. I do think that we'll hold that until evening to overnight Saturday. Then we'll have some rain early Sunday with scattered showers left over during the day on Sunday. Notice those temperatures, still pretty mild. Low 50s this weekend, even mid to upper 50s next week with some quieter weather other than some rain Monday night into early Tuesday.